I mean, I was freaking out, but weird. Alright, so we're gonna go for a drive real quick and try to figure this out and see what's up. Because the car started breaking up for some reason. So let's figure this out. We're gonna go for a drive and see what's up. Because I mean, hopefully it fixes itself, you know, this 31-year-old car, man. But the real reason I came over here is for that rubbing, right?
What the fuck?
Yeah, you hear that? It's pretty bad.
What was that noise?
What's up?
That clicking.
Clicking where?
When you took off?
Was it from behind you?
Yeah.
I think it's something in one of the bags. Yeah, I've been trying to figure that out too. I don't think it's anything with the car. Up there. And also the drive shaft in the front. Is it better to go this way?
Yeah. That's fine.
See, now it's not happening. Apparently the car fixed itself. So anyways, let's check out his new quote-unquote drift car. I don't know what the hell this is. What
Trophy
is
truck.
What is this? Bro.
It's a pre-runner.
Oh my god.
Needs some love.
What is this? So what's wrong with it?
It needs a shift fork. It needs to be retimed. And I'm gonna rebuild the carburetor.
Ugh.
Put a bigger cam in it.
It's kind of got bucket seats. Ooh. It should turn, yeah, it should really turn it into a trophy truck. That'd be sick.
Hey, look at this.
Go do some rallying.
It's the Camberg 5.5 kit.
Ooh. Anyways, man, I want to raise my car so I don't have that rubbing issue. Okay. Alright, so let me show you how bad this coil-over was rubbing on the wheel. Look at the coil-over. You can see it's rubbing on the coil right there, man. It's pretty bad. So what I'm going to try to do is raise the car a 1/4 inch. I don't have a coil-over tool, and this is such a bad idea. I'm going to admit this right now. Because I'm going to use 2 non-hub-centric spacers right here. This is such a bad idea. Okay, yeah, I'm not gonna do that. It's just too stupid. Like, there's barely enough threads for me to put the lug nut on the stud, so man, I'm gonna have to lower the coil. Well, not lower the car, but raise this side just a little bit up, like I intended in the first place. So man, screwdriver and hammer time. Right, change of plans. We're just gonna head over to an auto parts store and buy the proper tools. I don't want to break stuff, man. Clean ass Miata. Yo, focus. Alright, so finally found someone that actually has some tools so I can actually fix a small issue in my car. And he happens to have 2 RX-7s FDs that look exactly the same. so clean.
Yeah, it races at 2.5, and it
This one,
the track with 5.1.
this one's a rotary, and then this one is a V8.
Airbags. It's like a professional swap.
Everything.
It's a Corvette.
T56.
It's a Corvette, but not Sony.
Corner
Yeah.
weight.
Because there's always so much controversy about doing these swaps that, you know, I can actually go, well, I have both.
Yeah.
And I can make the comparison, you know.
Right. Like,
Check
and then
out this motor I'm working on here. An intake manifold that he's ported the crap out of.
nice.
If you notice, like, the size of this one's a regular 3rd gen.
Oh wow.
Yeah, that's a big difference.
We go with the Cosmo.
Alright, well, I've got some explaining to do. Basically, while I was importing the footage from my camera, my computer froze, and so I lost about 10 clips and of me like working on the car and stuff. But basically what happened is I tried to drive home, the car kept breaking up again, so I went back to Cory's house, and I just told you guys that I didn't really want to film. I also wanted to figure out the problem and then continue on. So let's pick up right after I actually figured out what's wrong and basically continue on with the video. Alright, so I think I discovered what the problem is. The leading spark plugs are a little bit loose, so I tightened them up, and hopefully that fixes the problem. I made it home, so I'm gonna go ahead and head to Palm City and go deliver some pizzas so I can actually make a little bit of money and not die, you know, try to survive in here. Hope you guys like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.